Welcome to Oven Foods. There is something special about the smell of freshly baked chocolate cookies. Today I'm sharing an easy homemade recipe that gives you soft, chocolatey cookies without using an oven. Let's start the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add half cup butter, half cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon vanilla essence, use room temperature butter for a smoother dough. Beat until the sugar melts into the butter and the mixture looks light and creamy. Now sieve together 3/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and half teaspoon baking powder. Cocoa powder gives cookies their deep chocolate flavor without extra chocolate bar. Gradually combine the dry ingredients with the batter mixture. Do not overmix after adding the flour. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. And bring everything together into a smooth cookie dough. Take small portions and shape them into cookies. Press a few chocolate chips on top for that bakery style finish. Grease a 7-inch mold lightly and line it with baking paper. Making cookies at home avoids unnecessary preservatives. Portion control homemade treats can be part of a balanced lifestyle. Arrange the cookies, leaving a little space between them. Chocolate chip cookies remain one of the most loved desserts globally. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat it for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Set the mold inside and cook for 18 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Once cooled, you will have rich, chocolatey cookies with a wonderful homemade touch. Freshly baked cookies continue to firm up as they cool. Homemade cookies let you control the sweetness level. Cocoa powder contains natural antioxidants. A batch of warm chocolate cookies can make any day better. If you try this recipe, let me know how many cookies disappear before they even cool down. Share your thought in the comments. Follow Oven Foods for more simple recipes, baking ideas, and homemade treats.